listen. Get it? Because it's a speaker video. But seriously, these things are incredible.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to review cool gear that comes my way, so don't be a stranger. Also, if you can click that one, that helps out a lot. Thank you. Links to everything I'm talking about will be down in the description, plus a surprise link. So let's start with, who is this Adam Audio company? Well, it's a company from Berlin, Germany, and they make really expensive speakers for the big people editing in those big studios like in Hollywood or the big music production studios. And then they were like, I bet we could take these big expensive speakers and make them smaller for a consumer prosumer market. And they did it. This is the Adam Audio T5V near field speaker for that home studio or even bedroom studio. It has a 5-inch woofer with a really nice low end, and also their Audio Adam designed UART 1.9-inch ribbon tweeter, giving you their signature crystal clear sounds. The back of the speaker has an RCA unbalanced and XLR balanced inputs, a level knob, high and low frequency boost, which helps to address frequency issues in your room, and a power switch and standard 3-prong IEC socket. Also, I recommend this Yamaha MG10XU mixer, which you can control it further, but also has a USB connection so you can connect it right to your computer instead of using your 1/8-inch headphone jack. And I'll put a link to my full review of this mixer down in the description so you can check it out down there, or I'll even put it up there. So who are these speakers aimed at? I would say this is for those video editors or music producers who don't have the capital to spend on top-level monitors and actually want to hear an accurate depiction of the sound that they're putting out. For example, I've been using cheap speakers in my studio for a long time, and I'll edit a video completely and then I'll listen to it on my phone or with headphones on and be like, wow, that was not balanced. But after using these speakers, I can hear the sound the way it's supposed to be heard. And as a music producer, when you're recording music, you need to play it in like every scenario, like cars, headphones, laptop speakers. But with these speakers, you will balance out everything. Man, when I first turned these things on and put some music on, I was blown away. I was hearing things in songs that I have never heard before. There's just so much clarity to this. They also have a small footprint, great for most rooms, and also minimal room treatment needed because of the way they put the speaker together. Ideal for people who can't treat the space with acoustic foam. And they're balanced enough for long hours of editing, monitoring, without fatiguing your ears. For such a small speaker, it has a great low end range, which makes it excellent for any sort of videos or music with a lot of low end. Something like this is usually found in a more expensive unit. It's powered with built-in amps, so no need to run them through separate amps. And they also have a subwoofer that can be added for extra low end. Now, these aren't budget cheap speakers, but it is priced against popular KRK range and dominating their market share. And remember, the link for this will be down in the description. This is no affiliate for me. They didn't pay me to make this review. I just wanted to share it with you in case you're building your home studio and you're in the market for something like this, which I think you definitely should go for. But that's it for today's review. These speakers are so nice, and I'm just excited to listen to them more and more. But do check out the link in the description. Also, a lot of other products and fun videos to make on this channel. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.